Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can convert your VCF file format into a table format and then do some operations on that particular table format to clean your contacts. And once it is done, you can again convert that table format into a VCF file so that you can upload your clean contacts into your mobile phone. So let's first get your VCF file uploaded in this particular tool. So you have to download a VCF file from your mobile phone in your laptop. Once it is done, click on upload VCF, then click on the VCF file you have downloaded. And once you double click it, you will see that all your contacts are fetched like this in a table form. Now the first button we have is fix names. If I go and click on these two rows and then click on fix names, it will ask me whether I want title case or capital letters. So if I can convert this name into capital letters or title case. So I'll just write caps. So you will see that the names will change. It has changed to capital letters. Similarly, again click on fix names and in this we will write title. You will see that it will again change to title case. Once it is done, then you can go and click, you can untick these. Then we have option of filter dedupe. Below you can see that there are two rows where mobile numbers are same in two contacts, right? So there are two duplicates. So click on this filter dedupe mobile and there are total 4 rows out of which these two are duplicate. If you want to remove them, you can click on delete selected and then click on clear filters. Now you will see that dedupe mobile is 0. Now click on filter dedupe name if names are duplicate. Once you click it, it will filter the names. And in case if you want to keep them or change the name, you can do it right now. Or if you want to delete, you can just select this and then click on delete select. And then click on clear filters and search. Once it is done, you can see that there are no duplicates from mobile. Then there are no duplicates from name. Total contacts is 12. Now filter no mobile. So when I click on this, it will fetch rows where there is no mobile number, but we have names. So that means these contacts are not relevant. I'll just click them and click on delete and then clear search. Now the total contacts are 10. No dupes with mobile, no dedupe with names, and there are no entries with no phone number. Now in case if I want to add mobile code, so I'll select those rows and then I'll select add mobile code. Then I'll just type +91 and OK. And you will see that it has updated the mobile codes. Now, if in this case I want to add mobile code in this, I'll just click on this +91 and enter. And this will also do. You can also select all and click on add mobile if you are 100% sure that all these mobile numbers belongs to +91 code. Once it is done, then we have a button add prefix and suffix. So there are some people who want organization name in name itself, and also they want to write Mr. or Mrs. or Miss in front of the name, right, as a prefix. So for them, I have this button. I'll click on this. It will ask for checkbox. I'll just select these three. Again, click add prefix. For example, I want to remove some text from these three names. Let's remove the name term itself. So after applying, you will see that only 1, 2, 3 is left. Now let's add something. Click on this button again and I want to add name, and before name I want to add Mr. dot, and after Mr. dot name I want to add a separator hyphen and click and apply. You will see Mr. name -1 is appearing now. If I want to add a suffix, I'll click on this. Suffix is org1 with a separator of hyphen, let's say. Click on this and you will see that organization is updated in the name itself. Now the next option we have is set org. So you can set the organization, this column, at one go. So select the rows, set org, and if I want org1, Right now it is 1, 2, 3. So when I click on OK, it will change to 1, 1, 1. Also, just to make this process faster, we have an option to input your terms as well. So for example, you want different names. Let's say you want org1. So anywhere where org1 is mentioned in this, it will bring up those rows and you can select them and you can set the org properly by writing the org name and just apply. Similarly, if you want only name 12 or name 10 and then you want name 11. So you will see that name 10 and name 11, only these two rows are there. I'll select them and do my operations what I want. So this is a customizable tool. So you can filter out data and you can apply your actions in bulk. At the end, we have a new row addition option as well. If I want to add new contact, you can just click this and you can just add the contacts as you want. You have remaining two buttons here. The second last is export clean VCF. When I click on this, it will download me a clean VCF, an updated VCF, whatever changes you have done on this particular sheet. And you can directly upload this VCF file to your mobile phones. Once it is done, we have a reset button at the end. Basically, it is a reset button to reset the entire tool. If I click on this, okay, it will remove all the data. So it will definitely help you to streamline your contacts. Let me know if you need any other feature or if you face any issues in the tool. I'll definitely try to help you out. Thank you for watching the video.